Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have goddess provisions for May. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my May box just arrived. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what the May box brings. I don't recall seeing any spoilers this time. Normally I get to see at least like one or two of the products or like the main products, and I don't recall getting any spoilers or anything. So, but the card is on top again. Oh my gosh. Are they finally going to start putting the card on the top of the box now, like all the time? Whoa! I'm coming, Elizabeth! It won't give me a heart attack. The card is on the top, you guys. Harmonize with the cosmos. How pretty. And then down in here, we'll go over the products. And yes, it'll go over the products and the pricing of what is in the kit. This month's theme for this is the Mercury Retrograde kit. So there's a sneak peek to the items in the box. Let's go with this first thing right on top because it's the biggest thing. So I'm intrigued. Let's see what is in here. It says loose incense instructions. It says add a layer of ash sand salt in the center dish and using tongs light the charcoal. What? Light the charcoal? Is there charcoal in here? I'm a little confused because it has this in there, but there's no charcoal disc. So I'm so confused on what I'm supposed to be lighting. Unless you just got to go buy some charcoal somewhere and stick in here. But if that's the case, it doesn't explain that very well. What else it says on here then, it says hold the flame on it until it sparks and then set it down in the bowl and let it heat up for a few minutes. Once the charcoal disc is burning, sprinkle a pinch of loose incense on top. The herbs will start to burn up quickly, and once burned, tilt the charcoal disc to remove any residue and add another pinch of incense. The disc should burn for 30 to 45 minutes. But I do know that this is all that was in the box, and it looks like it does have little symbols that go around. To me, this just looks like a little candle holder, but apparently you stick things in there and there's a charcoal disc or something. But it does have a little picture here of it, and it looks like there's some type of a charcoal or something in there. So if you guys get this box, let me know if you got charcoal up in yours. Am I missing something, or do I got to go buy something? That's what I want to know. So let's just keep moving forward. This right here says white sage, 100% pure essential oils, sacred mist. And I'm so glad it does not say lavender. It says Kate's Magic White Sage Sacred Mist. This Reiki-infused cleansing mist is made from white sage grown on a small family farm to help clear your space and welcome positivity. This is valued for $16. You can use coupon Kate's Magic 15 and you can save 15% off at katesmagic.com. And yeah, let's get this sprayed. I think I'm gonna like the smell of white sage, and you use it to cleanse your spaces, but let's just smell it. It does have like a sagey kind of smell, but it's nothing too overpowering. I could barely kind of pick up on it, but there you have that to cleanse your space. And again, that is valued for $16. And I'm not sure if I did tell you the price of this. That one says planets aligned loose incense holder. Call on the planetary guides during times of need with the celestial incense holder, perfect for cones or loose incense, valued for $25. So that part didn't say anything about a charcoal situation, only this little paper inside, which is by Goddess Provisions. Then the next item down inside of here, it says Protection and Grounding Incense Blend. House of Intuition Incense Blend Mercury Retrograde. Activate sacred smoke from this incense to aura cleanse and protect your energy. Okay, so place your own charcoal in your loose incense holder and light. See, now if they would have said place your own charcoal in this, never would have been confused. Never would have been confused. But they put that in here under this one. So place your own charcoal in your loose incense holder and light, allowing the charcoal to become amber and ash. Then sprinkle the incense on top and let the charcoal work its magic. Valued for $6. And on this one, you can use coupon code GP Intuition 20 to save 20% off on ritual tools. And yeah, that's at the House of Intuition. That smells so good. Look at that little concoction in there, though. It smells really good. It smells good. That does smell really good. So I'm going to have to try to find where I can get these charcoal things and try that to see what that's about. But that is really neat. I'm glad that they at least give you something to go with it so they can work hand in hand. So what is this one? Now we have, it says Good Medicine, Intuitive Skincare, Spirited Detox Mask. Okay, so this is probably one that you put on your face, you wash off, that kind of thing, which I'm not into those type of masks. So I will save this and put this in my future giveaway pile for hopefully one of you guys to enjoy. But for this one, it says that it's valued at $18. It's a nourishing and detoxing power face mask to leave your skin feeling fresh and clean. You can use coupon code Spirit Goddess to save 20% off at goodmedicinebeautylab.com. So yeah, I'm sure it has the instructions. Self-love ritual. Activate with water to create a thin fluid mask. Gently smooth over face and neck area in a gentle sweeping motion. Relax for 3 minutes before rinsing. But again, I will put that in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. And that's again valued for $18. It looks like we have 2 more items in here, you guys. And ooh, what are you? I don't know, but you are pretty. Mercury Retrograde Journal. 21 days to blossom into your true self. So it's a 21 days to blossom into your true self book. That's what that says. The front cover is really pretty. I just wish it was silver and not gold, but the artwork, the imagery is extremely beautiful. And then even back here, look at that. So for this guy right here, it says Mercury in Retrograde Journal by Astro Glorious. It says, release what no longer serves you and allow yourself to slow down with this journal designed around reflecting what Mercury Retrograde calls forth. And this is valued for $32. Okay, so I thought at first when I read journal, it was just going to be like a blank journal for you to write your own stuff in. Oh, no, 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 no. There is all different kinds of stuff. There's even Mercury Retrograde do's and don'ts. So you have all of that to go through. There's a lot of stuff in here then. Survival guide, meditations. Is that card reading? Yeah, there's card reading. There's, what is it? How to prepare yourself. This book is, wow, okay. And then in the back, you have all these things to where it says, redefine your core values, regroup your strengths, refrain from criticizing yourself and others. Wow, okay, it has so much stuff in here. I'm actually really impressed with this book, to be completely honest. It goes through all the different signs, like Aries, Taurus, Cancer, where's my Gemini, where's my Scorpio, Libra, Leo, Virgo, where's my Scorpio, there's my Scorpio. But that is just really neat that it goes over so much information in here. All the different signs, spiritual growth during Mercury retrograde. Like that is really, really neat. This book is really neat, I think. I think this is probably at least the neatest journal that I have received. And it's like all different types of information. Like that is really, really neat. I like that. I think that's like the first time I'm actually really digging a journal. And then the last item is the monthly crystal. And for this month, we have rough black tourmaline. Maybe that's how you say it. I'm not quite sure, but this right here is valued for $5. Carry this shielding stone with you to absorb what doesn't serve you and help keep you grounded throughout your day. That's a nice big chunk right there though. So that is everything that came in this month's box. You have your crystal for the month. You have a white sage spray. You have this incense blend that you can use along with this incense thing here that I guess you just got to buy your own charcoal. I guess we figured that out as we went through, right? You buy your own charcoal for it. You have this really neat journal, and then you have a face mask. All right, you guys, so that is everything for this May Mercury Retrograde kit. What do you think about it? I mean, I think it's really neat that they gave you these to go along with it, so I'm not mad at this little thing. I just kind of wish that maybe there was a charcoal thing in there, or their card said use your own to make it a little bit more clear, especially in the beginning. But what I'm actually excited about for this month, I guess, would just be this book. I mean, this thing looks really cute, but you know, I think I'm more excited about a book that I may or may not use and a little sage spray. So there's nothing that's like really jumping out at me that it's like, oh my gosh, this is the wow factor for this month.
I wanted to let you guys know that after filming this video, I did cancel this subscription. I just realized that it's just not bringing me as much joy as it was before, so I went ahead and canceled it. So this one will be the last one that I will be bringing to my channel for a while. I don't know if I will bring it back in the future at some point, but at least for now, this one will be canceled. So this will be the last one I'm showing you guys for now.
So if you want a little bit more information about this box, this one you will get 5 to 7 full-size products per box, typically $80 to $100 of goddess goodies. You have free shipping to the United States. It is $15 to Canada and $25 internationally the last time I had checked. This box, if you just do month to month like I do, it's $33 per month, but you can get it as low as $27.75 if you were to go to a full 12-month prepaid plan. Everything in their boxes will always be vegan and cruelty-free. You can pause or cancel at any given time, and the type of items that you would see in these boxes generally would be crystals, aromatherapy, apothecary, beauty, spiritual growth tools, superfood snacks, teas, that kind of thing. So again, that is everything for this month. Please comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.